What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Vision Paradox Reacts. Today we are reacting to Saving Sawyer. I'm Emeroy, the CEO of the company. This is
Max, the copywriter, social media manager, best person ever.
Yeah. All right, so we are going to be reacting. I already said we were reacting to, so enjoy.
Yeah. Oh,
Saving Sawyer.
doggy. Sawyer is a shelter dog. Was a shelter
Oh,
dog.
okay.
Or a rescue.
Definitely going with pulling the heartstrings.
Oh, Sawyer speaks Spanish.
Oh, I love just doing that to my mom's dogs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no! Oh no, you're alone!
Oh, you mother god.
Oh. I'm like, ah! No. Imagine spending like a whole year.
Oh, he's got separation anxiety.
Yeah. Oh no, they're getting annoyed.
Oh my god, yeah. He's acting out.
No! You monsters. Swear to Christ. What's happening?
What is happening?
They got him a friend! Oh god. Oh god.
Who's this bitch?
Oh god. Oh god.
God damn, Amazon!
Okay, that's it.
That was good. That was good. That makes me want to go on Amazon and buy more shit that I've been keeping on my
And you're saved.
My initial impressions is that this is a fantastic example of story first, add the product in, like how does it enhance their lives?
Yeah.
And what it did was it presented the current, and then it brought a problem, and then the problem got worse, and then this product or this service was introduced, and then it helped bring the ideal happy ending. So that's what essentially when it comes to like sales and all that, like you want to sell the dream to the consumer, but you can't sell the dream without having them acknowledge or help them see a problem. And agitating, this is a great example of copywriting.
Yeah.
Problem, agitation, agitation and solution. So there was the problem, agitated a little bit more, like you see like the dog is acting out, then it's getting worse, then it's getting worse, and they find a solution on Amazon. But it wasn't even that. It wasn't the dog kennel. It was a great misdirect.
Yeah, I thought they were gonna be like, their solution was get this dog kennel and then bring the dog back to the shelter.
But in reality, they used that. It was a great misdirect. It wasn't. They didn't.
Swerve.
They weren't the ones to slam dunk it home. They're the ones to assist to the slam dunk.
They were the lob.
Yeah. So and the puppy
was the.
Yeah, and then that was great because I was like, oh, okay, Amazon saves the day. No, Amazon helped save the day.
Yeah.
With the product that you could easily get with Amazon Prime.
I think it's the family themselves came up with the solution too. It's not like Amazon was just like, oh yeah.
Yeah, you didn't get
Amazon didn't hand them the solution.
Yeah, they didn't go on. They didn't get like aggressive retargeting ads or anything. But like,
they've been listening.
That was great, dude. Yeah. That was fantastic storytelling. Really, really, really like pulled the heartstrings. They did a great job of establishing the world first. Like, oh, we're all family is here. Family is here.
Like lockdown, we can't go anywhere.
Well, they didn't even establish that. They didn't even say that in the beginning, did
That's true, because they said lockdown is over.
That was the shift.
Yeah.
But what you would assume is it's a family being at home, home, having fun, dog living it up. But then it addressed an issue that a lot of dog parents or pet parents in general faced once lockdown was gone. Like
they had to go back to work.
Was separation anxiety. Like this is, I wouldn't say this is something that I would be talking about for a while, but this is definitely like a compelling in like, wow, this is like for me at least. I know people have opinions about Amazon and Bezos and all that stuff, but like just this was a great
From an advertising standpoint, yeah.
for this situation. Like, and then for especially the target demographics, it hits a lot.
Yeah.
It,
families.
it hits family. It hits pet owners. It hits like probably like people in different cultures.
Yeah.
People with kids. So it shows.
And literally everyone that had to go into lockdown because of the thing that happened.
Yeah, and
that is still happening
any
technically.
pet parent who was experiencing separation anxiety with their parents, with their pets, and how that affected them.
Yeah.
So definitely very relatable story. That's what made it. That's what I think made this so good compared to the other ones we watched today.
Yeah.
It was very relatable.
Yes.
So.
This was like we connected so hard to this.
Yeah. It wasn't like the fancy celebrities doing a number.
Yeah. Who gives a fuck?
Or like someone rambling. This was like I felt connected to them.
Yeah. They could have gotten that anywhere, but because they presented like early on, because they were on lockdown, it was a very online. They were very online. Like everyone was on Zoom because obviously they had to be, and they kept doing that even after, lockdown restrictions before, like even after restrictions were lifted, and that's also very relatable to a lot of people now. Because I know, because I've always done most of my like shopping online. If I can get it delivered, I'll do it. If I don't need it immediately, I'll order it online, wait a couple days. And I think it also translated to like now where like there are other people that used to go to stores, that used to go to like Target or like the grocery store to get their stuff. And now they're just Instacarting it. They're ordering it on Amazon because Amazon has same day delivery for some products.
Convenience.
Yeah. I think this was not that like it doesn't make me want to go on Amazon and like buy more things from it. But like I know it's just like, oh yeah, Amazon will do that for you.
Yeah.
I agree, Amazon will do that for you.
Yeah. In terms of me wanting to use it, it doesn't make me want to use it anymore, but it does help reinforce this, I guess, this script or belief that, oh yeah, I can just get what I need at Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
Like if I can't find it at a place nearby, just get it at Amazon.
Yeah.
Because if I don't have time to go to a store,
literally yesterday we were looking for cable management thingies.
Yeah.
At Best Buy, and they were like, oh, we don't have it in store, and I'm like, oh, we can get it on Amazon.
Just get it on Amazon. Yeah, dude. What the fuck? Yeah.
Technically, we can also order it off Best Buy, but.
Yeah. Okay. What would you rate this from 1 out of 10?
Oh, I'd give this a 9. I think a 10 would. If this was a 10, I would have to be like bawling on the floor and not being able to talk. I don't know how they would be able to make it a 10, honestly, but like I'll put it at a 9, 9.5.
Yeah, I definitely say like 9, 9.5. Simply because fantastic story, very relatable. It enforces like the impact of what this service can do for you. I would make it a 10 if if I was more compelled to buy something now.
Yeah.
That makes me want to go on Amazon and buy more shit that I've been keeping on. Like I was like, oh shit.
If it wasn't,
if I like, yeah.
If it made you like take out your phone immediately and be like, oh, there's all these things sitting in my cart.
Yeah, because for me, like ultimately, like these brands, like they want people to take action.
Yeah.
Like again, all these things from like the Superb Owl ads. Like I feel like a lot of them were just really for brand awareness, conversation starters, to be memorable and to be a conversation between everyone who watched the game.
Yeah.
But ultimately, you'd want people to buy, and like the last part for me was like I would want like to make it a 10 out of 10 for me, but I would want to buy now. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Do all the things, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Adopt, don't shop.